What is good? What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good? Guys, it's another beautiful day, another blessed day, but kind of got some bum news, man, today. Had another doctor's appointment, and pretty much they said your boy's lupus marker, so all the pain, stuff that I was dealing with in my legs, stuff like that, it's all due to the lupus, man, and it's pretty much trying to be active again. So, you know, it's been a little hard on me, but at the end of the day, you know, I'm a true warrior. This is what I go through. It's what I'm built for, and this is why we fight. Each day, guys, we say, you know, we never know what's promised to us, so it's about spending time with family. It's about spending time with family. And a lot of people, they work so hard because they want to provide a way for their family where they never get a chance, the opportunity to spend time with their family. So again, what we call that is that we call that trading time for wages. And you never know how long you have on this earth. You never know what, you know, when your health is going to try to do things differently, or when your body's going to say, hey, I want to do this to you right now. You know, you never know when that's going to happen. And you want to be able to spend time and enjoy the world and be able to see things. And guys, that's why I go hard as I do when it comes to network marketing. So even with today, with everything going on, I'm still shooting video, you know. And in the past couple of days, I wasn't able to because I was in a lot of pain. But that's what happened when you're dealing with a flare-up, you know. And we got to do what we got to do to get it back non-active. It's just starting to flare up, so we got to do what we got to do to fight it again, to get it back down. Okay, but we're gonna get it in, and we're gonna keep knocking it out. Now again, I didn't get to shoot a video yesterday. Shout out to everyone that got paid in TCP and my econ. You know, the residual programs, guys, they've been feeding us. And again, if you're looking to make some commissions, especially for Christmas, guys, you guys definitely want to jump in and take a look at what I've been talking about in this past couple of days with the conversion pros. The conversion pros, guys, I have a system set up where you're able to earn instant commissions and residual commissions with this program. With the residual side is that you're going to be able to capitalize off marketing products for others. You know, where you can go out and provide those tools that everybody needs to make it in this marketing business. You know, everyone needs leads. You know, we're going to give you an opportunity to purchase leads in our back office. We're going to give you an opportunity to use our server to send emails out, you know, to build your list. We're going to pretty much give you everything you need to get your business going, and you can definitely try this all out for free. You get it for 14 days for free. You can definitely check it out. And with the instant commission program, guys, you can earn anywhere between $25 to $2,000. Okay, and it's a business in the box. You know, once you're in, you get reseller rights to that particular product that you purchase, and then you can go out and make instant commissions. And those are instant commissions, man. Imagine getting two $500 commissions. That's a beautiful thing. And I also have a separate marketing system for that program as well. So guys, we have a lot of things set up for you to make things very easy for you. It's just all about locking in and plugging in. So, you know, I wanted to take some time out to shoot this video just to let you know, guys, what we're doing. Christmas is coming, and I want you to be positioned. You know, I don't want you jumping off from program to program right now, because once you do that, a lot of people lose faith in you, and they don't want to join you in these particular programs because you're not staying consistent. And being consistent is the #1 thing to be successful in this business, and that's something that I had to learn myself. So what you want to do here is just find a program, stick with it, and just promote it, man, and get it out there to everyone, so then everyone can see what you're doing, and then you get it to the next level. All right, so guys, I don't want to take up much of your time today. I just want to keep you guys above flow to what's going on. You know, just keep your boy in your prayers. We're gonna fight, and in the midst of this, we're still gonna keep making money in the same time, guys. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing, okay? And we're not gonna let life distract us with some of the ups and downs and just the forks in the road that we gotta jump over. All right, this your boy Jay. Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.